Hi, Gaby.
Good morning.
Birdie. This is so good.
Okay, let go of Mama's hair. Ta-ta.
Alright, she's gonna come breakfast with us. She's filming a documentary about our lives. Peekaboo. There's some breakfast. Put your feet in there. You crazy. Here. First course.
Can I help you?
Yes, you may. Fine there.
Cat likes the rain.
We'll make 6 for us, and Daddy will make 6 for himself when he gets back from the gym. You wanna mix it?
Yeah. This is rainbow on stuff. Do you see the rainbow in it?
One more, all done?
It's August today. That's how to make scrambled eggs.
Yeah, you scramble them. 1 and 2, yeah. You're like a baby bird. Yes, you may. Peaches and eggs.
Wow, 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 wow.
In monochromatic color tones. Breakfast is yellow.
I'm going to my summer camp today.
Still figuring this thing out. Not the vibe, but that's that shot. Oh my gosh. What is happening? Mike usually makes my coffee in the morning, but on Fridays he goes to the gym, so I'm
left to your own devices.
yeah, which is sometimes it works out, sometimes it does not work out.
Wow.
Okay, here we go. Victoria's latte art. Yep, let it be known that art is my specialty. Okay, and then we're just gonna, oh my gosh. It is a bleeding heart. And we're just gonna take the extra and we're just gonna, yeah, baby.
Can I see?
It smells like toothstill, I think.
Yeah, it really smells like too.
So rainy out.
You gonna play outside in the rain?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gaby is going to Omi's house today. We're a little bit behind schedule because we had such a nice snuggle this morning. You're usually the first to start, first to finish. Mommy's the last to start breakfast and the last to finish. Oh my goodness. We gotta blow up. I was like, that's a really hot, wet feeling. Oh, yummy.
Dragons. There's dragons coming up now. This chapter.
I will take you today to see the king's house.
We're just getting the next. I'm smiley face.
What meetings do you have today?
There's
There's one with Dave and
Dave and
Jenna.
Jenna, me and Lizzie are having a heart-to-heart.
On the top of my mat.
And then need Wilbur's water bottle.
I found this on the mountain.
That beard.
Do you want to wear it like a beard?
Wow.
Oh man.
All right, Wilbur. Want to get your boots today? It's pretty rainy and wet. Rain boots, and then let's get you a sweater. You want a hat?
Like put this bean in this chariot.
See? I hope they don't leave out of me.
I'm driving. You can't leave without me. Oh wow, look at you. You're layered up, my dude. Argati, baby. My coffee is
Can you do
ice cold, baby.
Hello.
Hi, have you left the house already? Is it possible to bring my painting, my easel, and my paints to the studio on your way?
Probably more like 10:15, 10:30, something like that.
I will take
Okay.
it. That'd be so helpful. Thanks,
Okay,
babe.
okay.
It's just so hard to remember everything in the morning. I left my job at home. Oh no! Where's your backpack? Oh my gosh. Did you forget his backpack? One way or another, you're gonna have food, okay? Can you have you this? Otherwise, I could go to A&W and like get him a kid's pack.
Sure, just do that.
Okay, sorry, I just need your help with my brain this morning. I'm like, logistically, I'm fried already.
Yeah, sounds good. Nice painting, honey. I'm looking at it right now.
Oh, thanks. honey. It's a little meadow moment, you know?
Magic meadow moment.
And that is everything. Okay, and we have the recovery, and then we'll have one kid down, one more to go. Made it to my mom's house, but we are nap trapped, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit because he needs his beauty sleep. Welcome to the wet coast.
Bruce? Wow. Still alive. I forgot about you.
Oh, he's still sleeping. I know. Time to wake up. It's bagel day. He's my inspo for all my sourdough baking.
And this is from your garden?
Yes, it is.
Wow.
It's one that got away. He was like, oh, there you are.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow is right. They'll snuggle, yeah.
It's a big snuggler.
Right, big listener buddy.
I will share with you. I'm gonna have to walk somewhere.
That's true. You probably would love that.
10:22.
Both kids are in care, and it's looking like we're gonna be at the studio at 10:40, 10:45 start. I've done worse. Good morning. How are you? Doing good. It's open. Oh, that's not the painting you're painting. They're all blurring into each other. Thank you, Mikey, for delivering the goods. Wow, it is so gloomy today. The only way to see the painting is like in the light, you know? But even in here, it's so dark. When you do the post, I gotta send an email, I gotta be painting, and then we're gonna go out for lunch, and then we have a meeting with our marketing team. So let's see if we can get it all in
You
there.
can do it all.
I finally finished the reel. I had to really search inside the depths of my soul for this one, but I did. And I feel like I got the message out. But some reels are just seriously a full soul-searching experience, and then you get it out. I hope people connect with the message, but you really never know. It might just be me connecting with it, and that's okay too. I am getting therapy from editing reels. Lizzie's in the zone, editing the pics. See what you got? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the sun came out.
So pretty, wow.
Sound of music.
Oh my gosh, I brought my makeup bag to do my makeup, and I don't even think I'm gonna do it. There's not even enough time, so we're dealing with reality, and reality is truth. This is the truth. All right, I'm gonna set up a little station, a little cozy corner. I'm a lover of cozy corners, people, and this studio window situation is my corner of delight. So let's set it up. Might be a little bit more. Fun fact, this is not the first time I put this scene in a painting. I actually sketched this exact same scene from the fall in my fall series, I think in 2021. But it was my first time visiting it in August, and it was so pretty. Very different vibe, very lush.
Kane, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
So foggy.
It's, our screen's nasty. Lizzie.
On the vlog, say hi.
Oh, hi.
You guys look like you're in the midst of production over there.
Yeah, the
yeah.
tripods
Always.
behind. Yeah, always.
So how do we achieve that in the voice of VRP?
Well, the series is coming together. We got Walk by Faith. The lighting is so gloomy in here right now. But a few of these little sketches too that I might also add into the collection. I'm still deciding, but I thought it'd be kind of fun. I don't think I've ever sold sketches, just kind of sketchbook stuff from my travels. So yeah, I'm just playing around with this theme of faith that can move mountains, and being in a season in my life right now where I need a lot of faith because I don't really know where I'm going. I don't know what's gonna happen. And me and my family feel called into a very big adventure that has a lot of uncertainty. So Faith is a very big theme in my life right now, and these paintings are helping me and reminding me to enjoy the view. Even when it feels like a really big thing, like big mountains, makes you feel small, but in a good way. This is all we have for today in the studio. I'll work on you next week because it's Friday. And Fridays are always a little crazy around here. All dressed for a nice sunny warm day in August on the great wet coast. Canada. Feed our earth with your water, Lord.
Thank you.
Right. Especially in the context of autism. Yeah. But especially in the person.
The end of the day.
That's a wrap on Friday, at least the working portion. We are now just, it all goes downhill from here. We are going to get in comfy pants to the club. Yeah, the club of children.
Rest and relaxation.
As pretty much every day of my life goes, nothing goes to plan and everything is pushed a little later and we're just gonna collapse. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna get some comfy pants on, I'm gonna snuggle my children, we're gonna have some friends over for dinner, and I'm gonna go to bed at 9 p.m. Well, I know my bedtime is 9. It's a hard 9. Bye.
So,
Subscribe if you like what you see.
the chaos, the beauty.
We got home at the same time.
Oh my gosh, look at that frame.
Hi! That's right, that's the Friday mood right there. The boys are ready.